As Prime Minister Narendra Modi climbed up the dais, the rapturous roar confirmed that it's not any ordinary moment and it's certainly not any ordinary leader who has taken the center stage. Modi's speech lived up to the expectations. He spoke impromptu, capturing the imagination of the crowd, holding them in rapt attention for about 70 minutes. Thanking many of the non-resident Indians who had actively participated in his election campaign, the Prime Minister also presented his vision for the future and spelled out his goals for India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has often said that he is an optimist to the core. In his speech, he gave Indians 3 reasons to believe in his confidence. He said India is certainly a unique country because it possesses 3 unique strengths that can change its destiny.
वो 3 चीजें जिसके लिए भारत गर्व कर सकता है और जिसके आधार पर भारत आगे बढ़ सकता है। एक, डेमोक्रेसी। दूसरी ताकत है डेमोग्राफिक डिविडेंड और तीसरी बात डिमांड। 125 करोड़ का देश है, बहुत बड़ा बाजार है, बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड है।
Prime Minister Modi also announced that inspired by the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who had galvanized people across the country with his call for complete independence, India is now ready for a second mass movement, this time for development.
मेरी कोशिश यह है कि विकास एक जन आंदोलन बने। 125 करोड़ देशवासी एक विकास के जन आंदोलन का हिस्सा बने और हर कोई जो भी करता है मैं देश के लिए करता हूं, मैं ऐसा कोई काम नहीं करूंगा जिसके कारण मेरा देश को नुकसान हो, ये भाव मुझे जगाना है।
Further strengthening his call to entrepreneurs all over the globe to come and make in India, Prime Minister Modi extended the same invitation to NRIs who have made it big in the United States of America. At the same time, PM was making sure that it's not only a one-way road for the people who had assembled there. Prime Minister addressed the issues faced by NRIs, announcing a major policy decision to give all people of Indian origin a lifetime Indian visa.
हमने निर्णय किया है PIO कार्ड होल्डर को आजीवन वीजा दिया जाएगा।
PM also reiterated and reinforced his commitment and belief for all-round sanitation and cleanliness. He also underlined the importance of cleaning the holy Ganga. Cleanliness, he said, would be a perfect tribute of the nation to Mahatma Gandhi.
लोगों को लगेगा कि प्रधानमंत्री को तो कितने बड़े-बड़े काम करने चाहिए। ये काम ये कोई प्रधानमंत्री को करने वाले काम है? भाइयों, मैं नहीं जानता हूं करने वाले है या नहीं है, लेकिन मैंने तय किया है मैं टॉयलेट बनाने का काम करूंगा। आज दुनिया में क्लाइमेट को लेकर के जितनी चिंता होती है, पर्यावरण को लेकर के जितनी चिंता होती है, उस दृष्टि से भी गंगा की सफाई आवश्यक है।
Reflecting on his humble origins, PM Modi was categorical that he is not afraid to do small things for the common man.
छोटा हूं, इसलिए मेरा मन भी छोटे-छोटे काम करने में लगता है। लेकिन छोटा हूं, इसलिए छोटे-छोटे लोगों के लिए बड़े-बड़े काम करने का इरादा रखता है।
For about 70 minutes, nearly 18,000 Indian Americans sat mesmerized, latching on to every word the PM said. The mood was one of optimism, hope and confidence of building a resurgent India. With Ashok Srivastav and Sudhakar Das, Bureau Report, DD News.